Hello friend, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that if you're looking for some deep cleaning motivation, that you found that this video is for you. I'm talking about this refrigerator and bathroom are disgusting. So I should warn you that the stuff that you're gonna see is just plain nasty. Again, if you like this video, I do want to thank you and I'm grateful for your life. I hope that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos and that you subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's just get this simple meal put all together into this crock pot so we can start some deep cleaning. Bathroom that you're about to see me cleaning, it's our guest bathroom, and unfortunately because we don't have a heater, I have to leave the door open at night. And my dog Cocoa, she tends to go and lay there, which makes the bathroom even more messy. I wanted to talk a little bit about my cleaning products. This is some of the ones I'm going to be using today, but I like this brand, Method, and the reason I like this is because when you read it, it says cruelty-free, tested by people, not animals, and it's plant-based, which means that it's not harmful either for us, the environment, or the dogs. Yes, I'm gonna have to go with the bleach. I'm gonna try to deep clean the floor, and we love Fabuloso. This sheet is for the garbage can, my handy dandy toothbrush, which is not a toothbrush, it's a tool to clean, and sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't, but that's what I'll be using. This rag went straight to the garbage because I also have another dog, a little poodle, and she loves chewing on rags. It's like I can never have beautiful rugs in my house because when it's not one thing, it's the other one. When it's not one little dog peeing on it, then the other one is actually chewing on it. This is very gross. I know it. I know this is gross. But these are my boys. 3 boys. And they just can't aim. I don't know. I don't understand what's the problem. Like, let me know if you have boys and you struggle with this. Like, what is the problem? Like, why can't you aim regardless of what you do? Why? Anyways, but I'm grateful to have them. What you see me do here is I like to spray the product and let it sit there while I'm addressing something else. And this is what you see me doing right here. Also, you are going to see me cleaning the toilet with paper towels. I know that you probably used to seeing a lot of YouTubers cleaning with the Clorox wipes, but I find that those wipes are hard to disintegrate into the environment versus using paper towel. So what I usually do is I spray the toilet with a lot of products, and then I wipe it down with paper towels from the top to the bottom, so I'm not contaminating, I'm not bringing the germs instead of bringing the germs up. And I hope this makes sense to you. I'm using one paper towel for the top, and I keep changing paper towels until I finish the bottom of the toilet. The other thing is, these are microfiber cloths that I ordered from Joe's company. And I personally like to wet them and rinse them, wet them and rinse them. Some people, they don't do that. They clean with the same towel. But in my head, and tell me if I'm crazy, in my head, I'm thinking, but you're wiping something and dragging it to another place. So I'm constantly just rinsing the cloth, thinking in my head that whatever I picked up, it's being rinsed. The other product that I really like, it's this gel that I just showed you, for anything that has to do with wood. And I love it. It's also animal friendly and human friendly and environmentally friendly and all of the above. Now, that one, you do have to order it from the company, but are very, very affordable. And again, none of these products that you hear me talking today, I'm not being sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just letting you know personally what I like to use. And please comment below, what is it that works for you, or what can I learn from you? I want to learn from you. I want you to collaborate with me and tell me, this is what I could step up. How can I step up my level of cleaning? This time I didn't map the floor with like a mop, because I had so much product on the floor from that Clorox, that what I did, I used it to clean the floor, as you saw me do. And I did get new rugs, very affordable, actually, in a store. I don't know if where you live, they have like a Broad Street. It's like a downtown kind of store. And I believe I paid like $8 for that set, or maybe 10 dollars. And the decoration that you see me putting in here, I got it all from the dollar store, very affordable. And the towels I got from Target. So again, very friendly, affordable, and now it's nice and clean and shiny, and I hope it motivates you. If you hang with me a lot, you're going to start realizing that I like to reuse and repurpose and be very frugal, I might say. And the jars that you just saw me stack up, these jars right here are from tomato sauce. I usually clean them real good, and in this case what I decided to do is label them with a label maker that I got from Walmart. and keep the walnuts and the almonds in there and the chocolate chips and also the yeast. I heard that when you keep your nuts in the refrigerator, it preserves the oil or something like that. You could go check that out. But ever since I heard that a long time ago, I always keep them in the refrigerator. So again, before you throw something, ask yourself, does this have another purpose? Does this item could be used or reused somewhere else in my home? And it'll also save you money. Here you also see me adding baking soda on top of the Dawn because I really needed to scrub this shelf and the floor of the refrigerator. Here, what you see me pointing out is that after I took out the shelf, I had a hard time remembering where they go back. I had put the bottom shelf on top, and then I was struggling trying to put the drawer in, not realizing that it was the wrong shelf. So what I decided for next time, I'm just going to grab a Sharpie and just mark it when I'm taking them out so I know where to go. Also, I was super tired after I cleaned the bathroom and did one side of the refrigerator. But guess what? Once you start moving, it's like your adrenaline goes up and you want to keep cleaning. You want to finish it. Like I wanted to go to sleep that night knowing that the inside of the refrigerator was clean. I still have to tackle the back of the refrigerator and the top, but I went to sleep with a satisfaction of I got it done. And I hope this is the satisfaction that you get from this video, that you start something and that you get so motivated that you're going to want to finish it. Friend, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me until the end of this video. I want to pray that God continue to give you protection and safety and health. I pray that whatever you are found, that provision will come to you and that whatever your hand touches multiply. Thank you so much for staying with me. I will see you in our next video, and I leave you with my son's reaction when he's eating the fajita. And if you're wondering, yes, he did like it, and so did the rest of the family. See you soon. God bless you.